Okay, hello Cloud Gurus and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we're going to look at how we can set up Direct Connect. Now, full disclosure, I do not have a Direct Connect connection, so I can't actually show you how to do it, but I can tell you the steps and then I can point you in the direction of an AWS video where they actually go through this in the console. So the steps to setting up Direct Connect is you create a virtual interface in the Direct Connect console. This is a public virtual interface. You start with a public virtual interface. Then you go to the VPC console and then to VPN connections and you create a customer gateway. Then you create a virtual private gateway and you attach the virtual private gateway to the desired VPC. It's very much like attaching an internet gateway to the VPC, but instead of an internet gateway, it's a virtual private gateway and you attach that to the VPC. Then you go down to select VPN connections and you create a new VPN connection. And then you select the virtual private gateway and the customer gateway that you set up earlier in step 2. And then once the VPN is available, you set up the VPN on the customer gateway or firewall. Now you will need to know these steps going into the exam. They do test on this now, so please try and memorize this as best you possibly can. I would go and watch this YouTube video. I've put this in the resources section of the course. This will show you exactly how to do it. It's about 8 minutes long in length, but it will show you exactly how to do it in the AWS console. I wish I could show you myself, but like I said, I don't have a Direct Connect connection at my house, unfortunately. So that is it for this lecture, everyone. Just remember, going into your exam, the steps required to creating a Direct Connect connection. So you create a virtual interface in the Direct Connect console. This is going to be a public virtual interface. Then you go to the VPC console and then to VPN connections and create your customer gateway. So first you create your public virtual interface, then your customer gateway, then you create a virtual private gateway, and that's basically like your internet gateway, and you just attach that virtual private gateway to the desired VPC. Then you go into VPN connections, create a new VPN connection, and then you select the virtual private gateway that you want to use for that VPN connection, as well as the customer gateway. And once the VPN is available, all you need to then do is set up the VPN on the customer gateway or firewall. Again, apologies for not having a Direct Connect connection that I could show you this with, but so long as you remember those steps going into the exam, you are going to pick up 1 or 2 points. If you have any questions, please let me know. If not, feel free to move on to the next lecture. Thank you.